So when you put it in, you fold and then insert. And you need to make sure that it's open correctly, because if it's like this, it might leak. So to make sure that it's open, you can twist from the bottom, so that moves the cup and opens it. Or one option is to push it a little bit further up and then pull back down. This also creates a little bit bigger suction. So if you push it when you insert and then you push and just pull it down, that creates a suction.
What is there are different forms to put inside.
Yeah, so
Can you show me several different?
Yeah, so this is one of the basic ones. So fold twice and then twice and insert this rim first, and it pops open. Other common fold is punch down, where you do this, punch it down, and then it's like this, and then you fold and put it in. And then there is this way, so it looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the most common ones, and you should try different options and find out what works the best for your anatomy.
Which form do you use most for yourself?
I only use this one, the basic C fold, because that's the only one that opens for me. The punch down doesn't open, so it stays this way, and then it will leak. And I don't want to have leakage.